Hi everybody, this brief tutorial is going to show you how to use your Boardmaker online account to make matching activities for students and for staff as we get back to school. First, you're going to log into your account using your assigned login in the Education Technology folder. Once in your account, go to My Boardmaker, go to Create Activity, and then you're going to want to select Matching from the side. Once you select matching, you can choose from a lot of different pre-made templates. We're going to use matching word to picture for 10 words. Now this goes up to 10 words, so if you have a class of 12, you may need to do 2 different activities, 6 and 6. Break it up however you want to do that. So we're going to select the 10-word one here. Again, if you have a class of 12 or more, you may need to break it up into 2 activities, 2 different pages. We'll select that. Now basically all we are doing is building the activity. It tells you in red what you need to do. Place a symbol in the top button of each group, the blue, and type the corresponding word below it. Empty buttons will automatically be hidden. So this is something that you can make to match student name to picture as a getting to know you activity, doing staff names to pictures. This can also be used as to getting to know your school. In the blue button you might choose to put music, the music icon, and then put the name of the music teacher below it. Text has to go in the brown box. Any picture can go in the blue box. Okay, so let's just see how to do that quick. So the first blue button I'm going to click and I'm going to hit enter. I want to take pictures off my computer. I'm going to go to browse, and I just put 3 quick pictures on here. You could do this a lot neater and nicer. I'm just doing it quickly for this. There's Jesse. Again, I'm going to click enter in the next box, hit browse, choose Dan. I'm going to hit enter in the next box, choose browse, and put me. Now underneath I'm just going to type the names. We're making the activity correctly. Boardmaker will mix it up for us. So basically, like I just said, this can be made to do matching activities for students, name to picture, staff. Could also be used to make matching names to the teacher you go see. So let's, for instance, click this and put music. We'll select a music icon for music class. And under it, depending on the type of activity, I could put the teacher, your teacher's name, or you could just simply put music if you're working on daily schedule. However you want to do it. We'll stick with the names for this. I'm going to put Amy. Now you could do this for the rest of the 10, or you could just save it and play it. Remember, you could save it. I'm just going to play it so you see what it looks like. Basically, this now is created for us. Students can go up to the computer or smartboard.
That's right. This is the picture that goes with the word Dan. That's right. This is the picture that goes with the word Jesse. That's right. This is the picture that goes with the word Mark. That's right. This is the picture that goes with the word Amy.
Again, this activity you can create matching word to picture for a variety of anything you want to do. Could be matching students' names to picture for getting to know you. It could be matching staff's name to picture, or it could be matching class to the picture associated on your schedule. Or if you're getting to know staff in the building, you could have pictures of the class with their name, or you could put a picture of them with music class. So there's a variety of ways you can do this activity. I just wanted to show you briefly because it's a great way to get to know students and staff around the building, and you can make it right on Boardmaker Online, play it on the smartboard. If it's something you have interest in doing and want more help, you can meet with me anytime and we'll do it together. Thanks so much for watching.